Welcome to the mythical forest with Dee Dee and Boris, and we're going to be making fertilizer out of this. You know what this is? Don't slip on it, you might fall. A banana peel. So we're going to make some potassium fertilizer so you don't have to go to the store and buy it. They don't want you to know about that, okay? We're going to make this out of banana peels, and you're going to be able to use it whenever you are gonna your plants are gonna start blooming, okay, for the flower stage. They're gonna need potassium, so we're gonna just use banana peel. So we'll see you tomorrow. All right, everybody, we're putting our banana peels in a bucket. We're gonna put rainwater, and then we are going to let it sit for a few weeks. We're going to make some banana peel fertilizer tea. Let me go get the rainwater. You guys, this is the rainwater I've collected. I'm going to pour it in here like that. Simple as can be. How simple is that, you guys? There's a little dirt in it. Who cares? It's going to go in the plants anyway. And there you have it. Let that sit a few weeks, and we're going to have us some potassium banana peel fertilizer for the flowering cannabis. That's it. Okay, now that we have the rainwater in the buckets, the next ingredient, just 2 ingredients. Rainwater, 3 ingredients. Rainwater, banana peels, and this is what is the leftover process for me making homemade yogurt. So this is whey, okay?
The whey.
Oh, look. Don't you dare. Don't you dare look in that bucket. Don't you dare. Look at it. So anyway, no.
Jesus said, listen, Jesus said, I am the truth, the way, and the life.
That's
hey.
No, Buster. So anyway, it's the nursery rhyme. Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet eating her curds and whey. So the curds is I believe, like the
cheese curd?
Milk. Yes, the cheese. And this is the whey. This is the process that,
look at
him. Look at him.
Oh, he loves that.
Are you a good boy?
Oh.
You want some whey?
You want some
Lick
whey?
the bottle of whey?
Jesus is the way.
He likes whey. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to pour just a little of each, little of it. And then at the end, I'll give him some.
Whey, word, son.
Watch out, Buster. No. I'm going to give you a little at the end. Here, Buster. Lick it, whey.
Oh,
he likes the whey. He likes the whey.
He is like, that's the way to go. That's the way to go.
Look, he's like a little baby goat. Look at him. Like a little baby goat. Okay, that's it.
Right,
now,
that's
I'm just going to put the
Cover
lid
it?
on, but I'm going to normally stir it up. Hold on, let me get a stick. Watch out, Buster.
No, look at
Any
it.
old stick will do. No.
No.
Any old stick will do. Let's see. Look at the stick. No, Buster, no. Just stir it up. No. And let it sit. No, Buster, no. It's been sitting a day before I could put that whey on. Hey! So, you let it sit about a week or so. That's it. And then we're gonna use that juice. And then whatever's left over after you use the juice, you can pour in your compost or put it in your black soldier flies. So, okay, so I forgot to tell you, you're going to do 1-to-5 ratio. So you're going to do 1 part banana juice and 5 parts to 5 parts water. Okay, and they're just going to pour it on the dirt around your plants, and it's really good for the plants. and it's really helpful for flowering, and you don't have to pay anything, especially if you eat your own bananas anyway. So save up your banana peels and you can do that. So if you was to get yourself a bucket, put some rainwater in it and just slowly start putting your banana peels in it. You don't have to go buy a bunch this big and do it if you want.
No,
you could just start slowly putting your banana peels in. That's your banana peel bucket. So every time you eat a banana, throw it in that bucket and
with
just
water.
let it sit. As long as you put your whey in there to help break it down, you're good. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys that this works for you, and we would love to hear comments from you. And if you're not subscribed, we would love it if you would subscribe. And we want to thank you for watching, and we hope you have a blessed day. God bless everyone.